Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Viewfinder game crashing or crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, or not loading error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Epic Games. Now go to the library section where you have downloaded the game. Here I'm showing you an example. Now after that, you have to click on the three dot icon and then click on manage. After that, go below, you can see launch option, you have to enable it, and after that here you have to type -tx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If you still face the same issue, come back, change it to -tx12 and then try to play the game and see if it works. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. The next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. After that, you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, now click on manage and here you can see verify option. Simply click on the verify option, wait for some time and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to allow Viewfinder through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings and after that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find it, go to the allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, click on OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, you have to go to the file explorer, go to the game folder, select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If you still face the issue, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. So next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search, now search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You simply have to select them. Now after selecting them, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So you should check if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner or such. Then you should disable them. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. The antivirus programs can block the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. After you download it, now open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Once you get it, close this. After closing it, restart your PC once. After restarting, now try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. If you cannot find the game over here, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. Now after selecting high performance, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Viewfinder game. For that, go to Epic Games. Under libraries section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once, and once your PC restarts, again launch Epic Games, reinstall Viewfinder game once again, and then click on the play button, and then check if you can play it without any further problem. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Viewfinder game crashing at startup, lagging, fizzing, showing black screen, or not loading error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.